whatever, everybody. As you can see, it's snowing today, and yeah, I'm just gonna do a time-lapse video. Oh man, oh, it's cold. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's already coming back again. So it's at this point it's kind of pointless, but the only reason why I did it is because I gotta go and pick up my mom from work. So I know by the time we go and come back, this is gonna be like I didn't even do anything. So oh jeez, oh yallah. Okay, I'm gonna give her a call, so that means I have to pause this video to see where she's at. Alright guys, I was able to get out with my car, with my rear-wheel drive car. Jeez. Yeah, I mean, look at everybody's driving super slow. Alright, I don't recommend driving a sports car in this type of weather, but yeah, I mean, you know, and I had to take my car because the other car was pretty much buried. But yeah, I mean, look at this. What's up guys? I'm gonna show y'all the type of weather that you guys should not be driving my type of car. Take a look. I'm starting to think maybe I should have risked actually taking my parents' car. Yeah, I mean, this is not safe. Not for me or not for my mom. Oh man, I hope we'll make it back safe. But anyways, thank God everybody is driving slow. Okay, let me turn on my hazards. Okay, hazards on. Driving severely below the speed limit, and just trying to be careful. Driving really slow. outside. خلاص, that's it. My hands froze. Oh, it's too cold. I think I have collected enough documentation. Take a look at the snow on the lights. Alright guys, can you see the snow and the lights? Look at that! Oh my god! It's so magical. Oh my, okay, I'm so happy, honestly. I love snow. I don't like to be out in the snow, I just like to look at it. And look at that! Wow. That is a whole different universe. شوفوا هيدا هو